How's it going, guys? This is Carl Huff here. Today I'm going to show you how to schedule an email, and that means you just basically send in an email at a scheduled time. So the first thing I'm going to do here is go to Compose. I'm going to just type in who this email is to, and then we're going to give it a subject. Just call it scheduled email. Um, we'll just say this is a test. Now, next thing we're going to do is instead of hitting the send button right here, you're going to hit this down arrow. You're going to click that, and then you'll see schedule send. So we'll select that, and then it will tell us, it would ask us, what time you want to send this. You can go here to pick a date and time, or you can just kind of do this. We'll just pick a date and time. We're going to schedule to send this at let's just pick a time, a few seconds out. So we have scheduled for 5:39 email, and I guess we'll just sit here and wait. See this happening live. You'll also see this right here, scheduled. So this will let you know what kind of scheduled emails you have. Go back to your inbox, and once that time hits, that email will send automatically. Since we send it to ourselves, we don't have to worry about going to open up another email. We'll see it just drop in here. So let's just give it a few seconds. Anything? Oh, there it is. It officially sent. And it said 5:39, but it actually sent a little bit later, but it actually did send. So that's how you send a scheduled email in Gmail. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My name is Carl. Peace.